Hi friends, in today's video we will learn solution of simultaneous equation by matrix method. So this question is from engineering diploma and this is important question because every time they ask for 4 marks. So we will see the question based on solution of simultaneous equation by matrix method. So look at this first question. The question says that solve the following equation by matrix inversion method. First equation is x plus y plus z equal to 6, 3x minus y plus 3z equal to 10. Third equation 5x plus 5y minus 4z equal to 3. Now this question is actually lengthy question, but since this equation is important, we will solve systematically, and at the end you can comment on the chat box or comment box whether you understood this solution or not. So first, given equation we have to write in matrix form. So I will write here given equation can be written in matrix form as So how to write this given equation in matrix form? So first write down the coefficient of x, y, z. So 1, 1, 1 are the coefficients. So 1, 1, 1 will be the first row. Second row will be 3, minus 1 and 3. So 3, minus 1 and 3. Now the third 5, 5 and minus 4. Coefficient 5, 5 and minus 4. So since there are 3 variables, write this in column x, y, z. These are the 3 variables. So I have written x, y, z. Now which is equal to what? These numbers 6, 10 and 3. So write this as 6, 10 and 3. So first step, you have to write this as matrix form, and this is the way to write in matrix form. So now consider this, suppose this matrix is A, and this XYZ I will denote this as capital X, and this right hand side column matrix can be written as suppose some Y variable. Okay, so what I did, I substituted X variable as XYZ and Y variable as 6, 10 and 3, and what is A? A is nothing but your matrix, and this matrix is 1, 1, 1, 3, minus 1, 3, right? 5, 5 and minus 4. Okay, we have to find out what is the determinant of this matrix A. Okay, so how to calculate determinant of the matrix? This first entry is 1 into, now eliminate this and this. What are the things remaining? Minus 1, 3, right? Minus 1, 3 and 5 and minus 4. Correct? Now give minus sign. Now write second entry. Second entry is 1 into. Now what I have to write? Eliminate this and this. What is the remaining? 3, 3, 5 and minus 4. Now last entry 1, 1 into. What I have to write here? 1 into. Eliminate this and this. So you will get 3, minus 1, 5 and 5. Now evaluate this. You will get this is equal to 1 into, what is this? Minus 1 into minus 4, which is 4, minus 5 3s are 15, minus 1 into 3 into minus 4, 3 4s are 12, so we have to write minus 12 because minus sign, minus 5 3s are what? 15. Now plus 1 into 3 5s are what? 15, and this minus 1 and 5. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, right? 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So this can be solved like this. 4 minus 15. 4 minus 15 is minus 11, right? 15 minus 4 you can write this as 11, but we have a minus 15, bigger number is contains minus sign. So this is minus 11 into 1, which is minus 11. Minus 1 into, what is this? Minus 12 and minus 15. You have to add these two number. 15 and 12 is what? 15 and 10 is 25. 25 plus 2, which is 27. but both the numbers have minus sign, so write minus. Plus 1 into 15 minus minus, 15 minus minus means plus, so 15 plus 5 is what? 20. So what is the remaining? This is minus 11, this is minus minus plus 27, and this is plus 20. Correct? So what is the resultant of this? 20 minus 11 is what? 20 minus 11 is 9, right? And 9 plus 27, which is 36. Now, after finding determinant, we will calculate cofactor of matrix. So, cofactor of matrix A. Cofactor of matrix A. So, how to calculate cofactor of matrix A? A11. How to write A11? We have to write plus sign, and this first entry is 1. So, eliminate this and this. What you will get here? You will get this as minus 1, 3, 5, minus 4. Minus 1, 3, 5 and minus 4. So what is the resultant? Minus 1 into minus 4 is 4 and 5 minus 3 is 15. Correct? So what you will get here? 4 minus 15 is minus 11. This is A11. Now find out A12. A12 means we have to write minus sign, and second entry is 1. So eliminate this vertical and horizontally. What are the remaining entries? 3, 3, 5 and minus 4. Right? 3, 3, 5 and minus 4. Now cross multiply. 3 into minus 4 is what? Minus 12. Right? And 5 3s are 15. So what is this? 15 and 12 is 27. But we have a minus. So minus 27. Next, A13. We have to write plus sign. Right? Now, what are the entries I have to write? Eliminate this and this. 3 minus 1, 5, 5. 3 minus 1, 5 and 5. So, what is this? 15 and minus 5. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. So, 15 minus minus means plus. So, 15 plus 5 is what? 20. Now, A21. What is A21? This is plus. We have a plus, so we have to write here minus. Alternate plus minus I have to write. Now A21 means this entry, right? So this entry, if you vertically and horizontally eliminate, what are the entries remaining? 1, 1, 5 and minus 4, right? This and this eliminated. 1, 1, 5, minus 4. So 1 into minus 4 is what? Minus 4. But we have a minus sign outside, right? 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. So 4 plus 5 is what? 9. But this is minus 9. And this outside minus gives you plus 9. Now calculate what is A22. After minus we have to write plus. So A22 means fourth entry. This entry 4. So eliminate this and this. Correct? Vertically and horizontally. What are the remaining entries? 1, 1 and 5 minus 4. So 1, 1, 5 minus 4. So 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 and minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. So what is this? Minus 9. Right? Now we will calculate what is A23. A23 means I have to write minus sign. A23 means this. So eliminate this and this. 1, 1. So 1, 1. 5, 5. 5, 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. Minus 5. 5 into 1 is 5. So 5 minus 5 gives you 0. Now we will calculate what is A31. So after minus we have to write plus. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So what is 3 minus minus? Minus minus becomes plus. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Correct? Now we will calculate what is the A32. For A32, right? So this entry. So eliminate this and this. Eliminate this and this. What you will get? 1, 1, 3 and 3. But here we have a, for the last entry, we have a plus. So now we have to write minus, right? So minus, what are the entries I have to write here? 1, 1 and 3 and 3, right? 3, 3. So what you will get here? 1 into 3 is 3, minus 3 into 1 is 3. So total answer for this is 0. Correct? Now next, A33. A33. So after minus we have to write plus. Now again look at this. Again look at this. What is A33? For this entry, eliminate this and this. You will get 1, 1, 3 minus 1. So 1, 1, 3 minus 1. So what you will get? 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. And this minus 3 into 1 is 3. So minus 1 and minus 3 gives you minus 4. Okay. So after finding all the cofactors of matrix, then write down the cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Okay. So how to write cofactor matrix? Suppose cofactor matrix is B, then write this in matrix form. So first 3 elements, what I got? First 3 element, minus 11, minus 27 and 20. Minus 11, minus 27, 20. So minus 11, minus 27 and 20 is the first row. Second 3 element, A13, right? So 9 minus 9, 0. So 9 minus 9, 0. And last 3 element, 4, 0 and minus 4. So 4, 0 and minus 4. So I already told you how to write cofactor matrix. Just write all the element in a row. So you will get cofactor matrix. Now we will find out adjoint of matrix. Okay. So adjoint of A. How to write adjoint of A? Just transpose whatever B entries are. So transpose this as rows as a column. So minus 11, this minus 27, this is 20. Right? Next row becomes column. So 9 minus 9, 0. Next row is 4, 0, minus 4. So this is the adjoint of E. Right? So I got here adjoint of A. Now we will find out A inverse. Okay. So find our next step is to find A inverse. So what is A inverse? A inverse is nothing but I told you formula 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Right? So this is the formula for A inverse. So this is equal to 1 upon determinant of A. What is the determinant of A? So in the determinant of A, I got 36 as a answer. So look at this. Determinant of A is 36. So this is 36. Adjoint of A, replace this as it is. So you will get minus 11, 9, 4, minus 27, minus 9, 0, 20, 0, minus 4. Okay. So this is A inverse. Now we will calculate what is the value of X, Y and Z. We will calculate what are the values of X, Y and Z. How to calculate the value of X, Y, Z? Here, suppose this is the equation number first. Suppose this is equation number first. So write X equal to Y. So here AX is equal to Y. So if I multiply this by A inverse on both sides, so what you will get? A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse Y. So what I did? I multiply A inverse on both sides on left hand side. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मल्टीप्लाई किया है, करेक्ट. तो A इनवर्स A कभी भी हमारा आइडेंटिटी होता है. नोट, हमारा नोट क्या है? A इंटू ए इनवर्स या A इनवर्स इंटू A क्या होता है? आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. मतलब 2 इंटू 1/2 क्या होता है? 1 होता है. वैसे इधर आइडेंटिटी होता है. तो हम लोग को इधर A इंटू ए इनवर्स आइडेंटिटी हुआ तो आइडेंटिटी नहीं लिखना है, डायरेक्टली हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? X, क्योंकि X इंटू आइडेंटिटी भी X ही होगा. तो हम लोग को X क्या मिला? A इनवर्स इंटू Y. Okay, so I will substitute what is A inverse here. So A inverse is 1 upon here 1 upon 36 and this minus 11 9 4 minus 27 minus 9 0 20 0 and minus 4. Correct. So I substituted A inverse. Now I will substitute what is the value of Y, because look at here, in the starting only I told you this is Y, right? So Y is 6, 10 and 3. So I will replace here Y is 6, 10 and 3. So A inverse I got here and Y I substituted at here, correct? So now we will find out what is this 1 upon 36. Now find out the product of these two matrix. So how to get the product of two matrix? Minus 11 into 6. What is minus 11 into 6? Minus 66 plus 9 into 10, which is 90. First row column. Then 4 into 3, which is what? 12. Correct? So first, second, third. Now on the second line, minus 27 into 6. What is minus 162? Then minus, we have here minus, क्योंकि minus 9 into 10, which is what? Minus 90. Then first, then second, then third. 0 into 3 is what? 0. Now 20 into 6, which is 120. 26 are 120. Then 0 into 10, which is 0. Minus 4 into 3. Minus 4 into 3 is what? Minus 12. Now this can be written as 1 upon 36. What is 90 plus 12 minus 66? Right? So 90 plus 12 is what? 90 plus 12, which is 102. Right? So after 100, in 102, subtract this 66 from 102. So what you will get here? This is 12. This is 9. So 6 and 9 minus 6, which is 3. 36. Now minus 162 minus 90. What is this? Minus 162 and minus 90. Just add it. So 2, 6 and 9, which is 15, which is 2 again. 1 ones are 1 and 1 2. So minus. So minus 252. And third, 120 minus 12, which is what? 120 minus 12, which is 108. Right? 108. So just divide this 1 by 36. Here we have. So just divide this by 36. So 36 divided by 36. Right? Then minus 252 divided by 36. And then 108 divided by 36. So 36 ones are 36. 36. So here 36 ones are 36 and 36 sevens are 252. Right? So what I got here? Minus 7. Now 36 ones are 36 and 36 threes are 108. Right? So what are the values here? I got x as 1 minus 7 and 3. But what is x? X is nothing but x, y and z. Right? So I will replace here x as x, y, z. So x is x, y, z. Right? And therefore I can write this as, therefore compare this. X is what? 1. So therefore x is 1. What is y? Y is minus 7. And what is z? Z is 3. Compare the values. X is 1, y is minus 7 and z is 3. The answer is x equal to 1, minus 7, 3. But here I think something is wrong in our calculation. We will check what is the wrong. Look at here this A12. So A12 is minus 3, 3, 5 and minus 4 determinant. So 3 4s are minus 12, right? And 5 3s are 15. But here we have a negative sign outside. So write here minus sign, right? So what is minus minus? Minus minus is plus. So plus 27 is A12, right? So I will replace A12 as plus 27. So here I have written minus. So I will write this as plus 27. And next here I have written minus, so write plus 27. Now This multiply this, you will get this answer. And what is the 27 into 6, which is 162. Now minus 9 into 10, minus 90, and 0 into 3 is 0, right? So only thing, this is the change. So 162 minus 90, right? So 162 minus 90 gives you what? 2 and 7, correct? And this is 0. So this answer is 72. So here I can write this as 72 plus 72. Now here 72 divided by 36. What is this? 36 ones are 36. 36 twos are 72. Right? So what I got here, x is 1, y is 2, y is plus 2, and z is nothing but z is 3. Right? So here only one mistake I did in A12. Instead of minus plus, I have written there minus. So the answer is x equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z equal to 3. We will check whether this is correct or not. So how I know that this answer is correct or not? So just substitute x and x, y, z value. X is 1, y is 2, and z is 3. Now x is 1, y is 2, z is 3. I replace, what you will get here? 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6. So correct. I am getting right hand side, which is 6. So if you are getting right hand side is correctly, then your answer is correct. So at the time of exam also, you just cross check whether your answer is correct or not. So if you like this video, then please subscribe, share, and comment on video. We will solve one more problem on simultaneous equation by matrix method.